Okay. Title of our story today. Since you don't have the book, I'll show you just like this so you can read it easily. Pete's. How to read the second word, Mithuki?
Pete's Peculiar Pet Shop.
What's the meaning of peculiar?
Peculiar means like strange.
Ah, that's right. Little bit strange, different, okay? Strange. Good, just the job. So, who wrote this story? Written by,
Shalamabad.
okay. And it is written by a bird, illustrated by Field. Okay, Jim Field. This is grade 3. Okay. So each and every one of you, that means here, two of you, Muspik and Metuki, in school, students rarely get the opportunity, chance to read the lesson. Mostly take turn, sometimes all read together. So when everybody reads together, the class is noisy, so mostly here and there, one student is asked to read. Isn't that right, Metuki?
Yes.
Yes. So in here, you will get the chance to read the whole text by yourself. Okay. So even twice, we can read and we'll see what it says and the special thing that we can learn from this. So Metuki, can you read the first part of it?
The whole thing, sir?
Yeah, that's right, Metuki. We both, you both can read the whole thing. Take turn.
Pete was mostly a happy man, but there was one thing that made him sad. He wanted a job, but something always went wrong.
Wow. This is an excellent reading, Metuki. The special about reading is not just reading the text, but emphasizing the words that were it necessary to emphasize and keeping your tone according to the words and highlighting the parts and also following the punctuations and reading. Yeah, you did a wonderful job. Okay, so Musfik,
Yes.
please read it. Same part, that's fine. There are not many here. So you can also read. Musfik, Pete,
What?
can you read it, please?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Pet has mo- v- pet was
Pete, Pete,
Pete who was mostly a happy man. But there was one thing that made him sad. He wanted a job, but something always went wrong.
Okay. So we had only one new word, peculiar. Let me ask, Musfik, what's the meaning of peculiar? Earlier, Metuki told us the meaning.
Something strange?
That's right. Good. Strange. So here, okay, he speed. See, so mostly a happy man, right? But something made him sad. But let's see what's going to happen. We can see a beautiful garden. There are a lot of beautiful things here. Some pets and yeah, very interesting pictures are here. Okay, uh, what are these?
Slugs.
Slugs. Okay, they
Uh,
are pushing a wheelbarrow, and it's like it's a very interesting picture. And some slugs are with some containers and look like they are helping. Pete, let's see what is happening. Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Near the cabbages sign, can you see some slugs playing with a swing?
Let me see. I didn't. Okay, swing.
Yeah. Near the cabbages sign.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I was telling earlier. This is a very, very interesting picture. Okay, some are laughing. Look at this. Okay, laughing, and they're just having a lot of fun in his garden. Okay,
They
so
barely have no teeth.
yes, look at this. Even the slugs are on his head. Okay, Metuki, that's an interesting one. And you continue to read, please.
He found a job as a gardener. He liked his job, but he let the slugs eat the cabbages. So,
Okay, so okay, let me ask Musfik to read it as well. Musfik, can you read the same part again?
Petty found a job.
The name is Musfik, that is Pete. Pete.
Found a job as a
Gardener.
gardener. He liked his job, but he let the slugs eat the cabbage. So,
Cabbages. So, okay, Metuki, what is a gardener supposed to do? Metuki, what is a gardener supposed to do?
a gardener is supposed to look after our food.
Here. So, that's right. So, what is Pete supposed to do?
He is supposed to kill the animals.
Kill animals and protect the vegetables. But what is happening here? Did he kill
He's
the slugs?
feeding the animals.
Yeah, he's feeding and he's not
Letting
doing the
them.
job as a gardener. He's just feeding the cabbages to the slugs. Okay, let's see. Now look at this angry man and Pete. Pete is really scared and this man is holding a piece of cabbage and there's a slug.
That man is
Look at
very
the
big.
eyes of the slug also, like scared, right? Okay. Uh, okay, good. Pete lost his job. So what is the reason?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Natiki?
The Pete looks like a ant to that giant man.
That's right. Comparing to this one, yeah, this is really a giant, and he's just a tiny, like a dwarf, right? Yeah, that's right. So he let the slugs eat the
Eat the
cabbages,
cabbages.
so he lost the job. Good. Now, Metuki, it's your turn to continue, and after that, Musfik.
He walked home feeling sad. The slugs liked Pete. He had been kind to them, so they followed him home.
But Musfik, can you also read the same?
He walked her, feeling sad. The slugs liked Pete. He had been kind to them, so they followed him
Followed.
home.
Good. So, uh, Metuki, what can you say about Pete? What kind of a person Pete is?
He's like an animal lover, very kind.
That's right. He's a kind-hearted man who loves animals. And now
He's
these
following him.
slugs also loved him, so they followed him home. Now,
Excuse
good.
me, sir.
This time, let Musfik read first. Then after that, Metuki can read. Okay, Musfik, can you read first?
The next day, Pete went to look for a new job. This time he got a job as a bus driver. Pete liked this job.
Metuki, did you see the next pictures?
That means
The next part of the lesson story. Could you see it?
yes, sir.
Not
No,
yet,
sir,
or
I
already
don't
saw
have the
it?
book.
Okay. Can you guess what would have happened after that? He got a job as a bus driver.
I'm thinking because he was really kind to those slugs, he would be kind and let those stray animals. We will see some stray animals like cats, dogs, all of the stray animals.
All into the
Yeah, bus.
bus. So bus is supposed to take,
Humans.
yeah, human mean people from one place to another. So let's say what's going to happen. Metuki, can you read the same?
The next day, Pete went to look for a new job. This time, he got a job as a bus driver. Pete liked this job.
Wow, this is really nice. It's really nice reading, Metuki. Beautiful. Now, look at the picture here. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
What kind of animals do you see inside?
Sir,
Some animals as well as some people are there. Look at the faces of the people and some monkeys and some one lady. Look at her face. She is furious.
excuse me, sir.
Yes, Mentu. Okay.
Did you see that giant elephant? How will that elephant fit in a bus?
Oh my.
The
How
elephant
did I
also
miss
looks.
that one? How did I miss that one? Yeah, I was paying attention to these tiny ones. However, I missed this giant elephant. Yeah,
That was the one
that's a
that you
big
should have
question
seen
to
first.
answer, right? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Next. But okay, Metuki.
But he let the stray animals ride on the bus to keep them warm.
To
So
keep warm. So, what do you think will happen next? So,
he will get fired because you don't know what the animals will do to the bus. They will damage the
that's
bus.
right. Okay. Musfik, can you read the same section?
But he let the stray animal ride on the bus to keep warm. So,
Okay. Musfik, what's the meaning of the word stray? Stray animals. What is the meaning of stray animals? Metuki, what
The
are the
meaning
stray
stray is
animals?
like homeless animals without home.
That's right. Animals without a home or an owner. Wild animals live in the jungle, but the domestic animals without owners, the animals that just go here and there, they are called stray animals. Okay.
Sir,
If they have owners, they keep the animals in their houses, in cages and things. So, but here, stray animals are the animals that do not have owners. And
ex-
recently, something very bad happened to me when I was jogging in the morning. One stray dog came after me and bit my leg.
are you
So I
okay,
had
sir?
to go to the hospital and get lots of injections.
Are you okay?
Yeah, this happened like 2 months ago, Metuki. Yeah, fortunately, the dog didn't die. So I just got four, I think 12 injections. Yes. That's why if you get bitten by a mammal, it can be a squirrel, cat, dog, any mammal, we have to get vaccinated because, rabies could kill
Sir?
you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Metuki.
We had two squirrels in our house.
Squirrel.
Yeah, but they died.
Oh. And in my house, if you go and look at the roof, anywhere, anytime, you can see a lot of squirrels running here and there.
Sometimes squirrels are on the roof.
Yeah, that's right. There are lots of squirrels nest and there are babies fall. Then, yeah, this happens. They are also not, I mean, they are also like, if you get bitten by a squirrel, you have to get injected.
My
Get
mother
an
got the
injection.
squirrels from her school. They
Really?
were they fell down from a tree.
Hmm.
They died in the morning.
Oh, because the babies need their mothers to feed them. If we can't look after them properly, they definitely die. Look at the owner of the bus. Must be the owner. And this Pete
Ah.
is a good man,
He's very
but
happy.
happy man,
Yes.
but he loves only the animals, not the people. Okay, now who needs a home here?
The dino.
Oh, yeah, home needed. Let's say, Metuke, you can start to read soon.
Soon animals started following Pete home every day. Then animals started to turn up on his doorstep. They all needed a good home.
Okay, Musfi?
Soon animals started
Following.
following Pete home every day. Then animals started to run up on his
Turn up on.
his turn up on his
Doorstep.
doorstep. They all need a good home.
Okay, they all needed a good home. So the animals just didn't follow him in the bus where he lived. Let's say I think he's going to lose his home as well. Let's see. When you do look at this lady, do you think she's angry at him or
Oh,
just
she looks
talking to
like a
the
doll.
man?
So she looks like a doll.
Ah, yeah, yeah, that's right. And the elephant also is inside. Look at the
No, I
eyes.
think he's scared. He looks scared.
The man or the elephant?
The elephant.
Yeah, because looking at the dino. So this, I think, just talking to the man. She doesn't look angry or anything. You see a lot of kinds of animals, snakes.
But that lady
Wow.
is angry.
Mm,
That
let's
one,
see
the
whether
lady with the
she's
cat.
really angry or not. Wow. This is like
A zoo.
in zoo. That's right. Okay. Good. Wow. And
Should I read some?
yes, Matuki.
Before long, there was no room left for Pete. There was an elephant in the hall and monkeys in the kitchen. There was an octopus in the bath and a pterodactyl hanging from a light.
Okay. Very good. Excellent. Musfik, can you read also? Musfik.
So is that sort of a dinosaur? I think you're mute. Sir, you're mute.
Oh, okay, Mituki. What is hanging from the light?
A pterodactyl.
That's right. You say it is look like a dinosaur, and I just found a picture of that one, a different type of a picture. When you learn about dinosaurs, you may come across these kind of pictures. Pterodactyl. Okay, so that is what it is there. And okay, you see, before long there was no room left for Pete. Poor Pete.
Where
Have
is
you
he
heard
going to
the
sleep?
story about? Huh?
Where is he going to sleep?
That's why he has lost all of his space, even everything. Even you can see the octopus also there. Okay, they're supposed to be in water, but they are living in there. So Musfik couldn't read. Let me
Huh?
ask him to read this as well. Musfik, can you read? Wow, that's a beautiful. What is that, Madhuki?
It's a dog.
Okay, you can let it go to Pete's house. Musfik, can you read? Okay, let's see what is happening. Let's go to the next one. And here it's
It's
before
done.
long. Oh, he's gone again. Before long, He lost all space because lots of animals have come to his house.
Ago.
Now, finally, he has to go to the there.
Excuse
Okay.
me, sir.
Oh no, there is something else there. Yes, Matuki?
Um, Pete lost most of his space because there was an elephant and a giraffe.
Yeah, they take
Those are
most
the
of
biggest
the
ones.
space, right? And
Sir,
what is this?
it's a monster.
Even a monster, okay? Ah, okay. So they have
Where did
taken
he
all
find
of.
a octopus? So where did he find
Yeah.
octopus?
Mm, no idea. Okay, let's see. Okay. Uh, one morning, wow, now what is happening? There's a girl. Okay, one morning.
One morning there was a knock at the door. It was not easy for Pete to open it. When he did, he found it was his friend, Mopsy, from next door. She was carrying an enormous griffin.
Okay, excellent. So this is it. And what do you think has happened to it?
I think it's sick because it doesn't look well.
Yeah, that's right. So the his friend from next door came with this. Cute. Now, but the pictures are really beautiful and colorful, and it is an interesting story. The about Pete. Look at the picture. Okay, he's really sick. You can see the thermometer there. And let's see. I found. Yes,
I found this
Matuki.
in my garden, Mopsy said. Could you look after him, please? I don't think he's very well.
Very
Poor thing,
well.
said Pete, and he tucked the griffin up in bed.
Okay. Now, Pete is looking after Griffin. And he has maybe a little cub, lion cub, or a doll. Okay. Uh, wow. Mopsy, that is the girl earlier that you saw at the beginning. You said look angry.
No, I said she looks like a doll.
Oh yeah, yeah. And doll, she is his friend, and now she. Okay,
Sir, can you clear it? No, I can't see.
okay, sorry.
Thank you. Mopsy came over after work. The griffin seems to be feeling much better, said Pete.
Said Pete. Okay. So she is happy and relieved to see the griffin well. And oh my,
Oh my, said Mopsy. So he does. I look I like it here, said the griffin. This will be my new home.
so the griffin just didn't want to go back. Okay, that's oh my. Okay. So the friend, let's see what is she going to say now. Look at his
He's
face.
worried. He doesn't have any
Yeah, he's
space now.
worried a lot. And okay, let's
And his
see.
privacy is gone, sir.
That's right. He started helping the slugs. Finally, all kind of animals ended up in his room house. Oh,
Oh dear, said Pete sadly. I really don't have any more room. He put his head in his hands. Goodness, said Mopsy.
goodness, said Mopsy.
I think I'd make you a nice cup of tea.
Okay. Mm, Pete has a nice friend. Okay.
Yeah, she's
She
very kind.
observes that Pete is worried and she wants to make him feel better. So she is offered him a Cup of tea. Wow, she
So I
cannot
want to
even
know
walk
where are those
across.
water. So I want to know where are those water animals coming from?
That's something, right? I'm also. Then all the animals came back, even the octopus here. And look at these slugs are
Pterodactyl.
there also. Lucky they don't eat each other, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow, this is nice. Let's see what animals are telling Pete.
It's quite simple, said the griffin. You need to find a new home for all these other animals. You have so many. You have so many. You could open a pet shop. That's a great idea, said Mopsy.
Yeah, okay. Now, uh, oh, these friends are Griffin and Mopsy are giving Pete a nice idea. Let's see whether he's really going to open a pet shop so
Ex-
he can sell them, right? So let me
Excuse me,
come to
sir.
this. Yes, Mituki.
I want to know griffins in real life are griffins really smart?
Animals.
Yeah. Normally griffin is quite of
No, right?
peculiar.
So, 1 second. This is uh, it is it is a legendary creature with the body, tail, and back legs of a lion combined with the head, wings, and the talons of an eagle.
So that means eagles are very smart.
Uh, all the animals are smart to some extent, okay, in order to survive. But if you compare to certain animals, they are not. In the animal world, they are called the elephants, dolphins are considered very smart, but others are smart enough for them to survive in the wild, so they can find food for themselves and look after their small ones, chicks and the cubs and small babies. So their intellectual limit goes up to that level only, so they cannot do beyond that. They are intelligent enough for them to survive, okay. So beyond that we can't say that animals are very intelligent, except for few elephants, dolphins, and
Dog.
certain animals. Okay. Let's see now, Pete.
Can I read some?
Yeah, sure.
Pete thought about it. He would love to have a pet shop. Then he could find a home for all the animals that needed one.
Okay, excellent. He thought about it. He would love to have a pet shop. Then he could find a home for all the animals that needed one. So, if a person needs an animal to keep as a pet, so the person could come to his shop and buy one. So he's
Ex-
not going to sell animals for meat. He's going to sell the animals as pets. So even he can find his own job as well as to find a home for the animals. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Who would want an elephant and a giraffe?
You always have very, very interesting questions, Veduki. Really.
Or a
Yeah.
monster?
some maybe the people who are, rich enough to look after an elephant would have one, right?
Maybe the owner of the garden place, he will want one because he's sort of the
That,
size of elephant.
yeah. Okay. So, Metuki, Pete,
So Pete bought a large shop. Mopsy and the Griffin helped him to get it ready, and
okay, finally, arrival of the Griffin change is going to change his life. Okay, now, okay, this
so I
friend,
want to buy the tortoise.
really
Yeah,
find one. Can we find it one here?
here near the yellow color snake.
Tortoise, tortoise, tortoise. Where is it?
Tortoise.
Oh, that's right. This one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The huge
It's
tortoise.
cute.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Oh, now he has opened his shop, Pete's Peculiar Pet Shop. Okay, that's the name they have given to the shop. And memory mango. Okay. Since only you read everything by yourself, we didn't take much time. And a little thing to, okay, memory mango. Uh, what jobs did Pete lose?
He lost as a gardener and a bus driver.
Okay, nice. Excellent. Wow, he's painting here. Look at Pete.
He's a nice painter.
Yeah, he's a nice painter and animal lover.
He can get
Finally,
a job as a painter.
oh, Musfik is back.
Sir. So
Yes,
he can get
Matuki?
a job as a painter.
That's, yeah. Unfortunately, he couldn't get a job. Okay. Musfik, we went through the lesson up to this point. Okay. Metuki, let's take a minute to revise what happened to Pete from the beginning to the end. I give you 2 minutes to summarize everything that happened. Metuki. So you can start with like, okay, Pete was a nice and happy man, a simple person, right? Okay, continue. Okay, mostly you can remember all the facts and you can do a great job. Try to summarize.
Pete was mostly a happy man, but there was one thing that made him sad. He couldn't find a job. He. What is that? I don't remember that.
Don't have to remember the sentences and things that you read. Just
Yeah.
think what happened
Uh,
all along, what happened first. He was a nice man, then he lost.
Pete found a job as a gardener,
That's
but
right.
he let the slugs eat the cabbages, so he lost his job. Pete went home feeling sad. The slugs followed him because he was kind to them. Pete found a job as a gardener. Pete found a job as a bus driver.
Yeah, after he lost the job.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pete found a job as a bus driver. But he let the stray animals ride the bus. So he lost the job. The animals liked him because he was very kind hearted. Pete had no space for him to sleep, cook, or bath. Soon, animals started following him every day. Some even started to show up on his doorstep. Finally, there was no room left for Pete. One day, there was a knock on the door. It was Mopsy, his friend. She brought an enormous griffin. It was sick, so she asked Pete, so can he take care of the griffin? Pete said, "Poor thing. Yes, I will take care of him." And the next day that Mopsy came to visit, he was feeling very good. The griffin said, "I like it here. This will be my new home." Pete put his head in his hands. There was no room left for Pete. Mopsy said, "I will go make you some tea to release your stress." Finally, the griffin said, "Open a pet shop. You can find homes for all the animals." Pete thought about it and he said yes. He put the griffin, Mopsy, and Pete started to work on the pet shop. Finally, there was many animals and he was very happy.
Excellent. Excellent job, Metuki. Okay, you included almost all the detail. Actually, it's not a summary, but you said the whole thing very, very beautifully. I think Musfik now have a clear idea, even he missed the last part of the lesson because Metuki said everything very beautifully without skipping the important details, even the other details. Okay, excellent job, Metuki. Musfik, so now you know what really happened here. Next day, let's go through the workbook activities and write some answers to the questions. Okay, so until next, shall we take a short break?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Metuki, I'll check how well you can remember the multiplication table.
Sir, which page?
Uh, don't worry about the page yet. It is just 22nd and the 23rd, page 22nd and 23rd. But you can take the book later. You are supposed to study multiplication table, right?
Yes.
Okay, Metuki.
Yes.
You have to tell me from 2 times. We'll take turn. Then I will ask randomly how, to check how well you can remember. Okay, Metuki, first,
Yes.
tell me 2 times table first.
2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 10, 20.
You did well. Now, Musfik, don't peep, okay? Don't take a book and read looking at the table, okay? Musfik,
2 times
yes, tell me the 2 times table first.
2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 4. 2 times 3 is 4. 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 8. 9 is 18. 2 times 10 is 20.
That's enough. Okay. Well done, Musfik. Let me ask Metuki again. So I want to see how far you can do, okay? Metuki 3 times. Because our lesson is based on multiplication and also division. Both need multiplication. So let's see. 3 times, Metuki.
3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 16. 3 times 6,
18.
3 times 6 is 18, right?
Yes.
3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 20. 3 times 7 is 21, right?
That's right. Yes.
3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 20. 27. 3 times 10 is 30.
Okay, Musfik. What about you?
3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 3 times 3 is 8. 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 10 is 30.
Okay, good. Metuki, now we'll ask some from 2 times and 3 times tables randomly. Are you ready, Metuki?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 2 times 8.
2 times 8. 2 times 8. 60?
Yes. Okay, 3 times 6.
3 times 18, 18, 18.
Okay, good. 3 times 4.
3 times 4. 12.
2 times 8.
2 times 16.
Okay. Last one out of these 2 tables. Okay, 3 times 9.
27.
Okay, excellent. I'll come back to you, Mitukia. Give me a minute. I want to check Musfik also. Musfik, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then tell me 2 times 9.
18.
3 times 6. same. Okay. 3 times 4.
3 times 4, 12.
4 times 2.
4, 8.
3 times 7. 3 times 7.
3 times 7 is 21.
Okay. Both of you have to be little quick. Okay. Then this. Metuki, want to check again? Can you can you skip count by 2?
That means I don't understand.
Skip count like without saying 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Without saying that, just skip 2 by 2, then you count 2, 4, 6. Skip count.
That means the answers, only the answers.
That's right. We call them skip counting by 2, skip counting by 3. We have to remember both. So sometimes it takes time to when we say 2 times 1 like this. So when you remember skip counting, then when you as you count, you can move your fingers, then easily count like a 2, 4, 6, 8. Then 2 times 4 is 8, like that. Okay. Okay, go ahead, do a skip counting by, okay, skip count by 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Okay, if you have more than two, if you go beyond that, it's easy. Also the same 22, 24. Okay, continue that way. Can you do the same 3 times? Sorry, skip count by 3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Okay, excellent. Good. So we must be able to do both ways, skip counting and also the multiplication, like 1 time 3, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, both ways. Okay, so it will be easy for us. Yes.
2 times table is just adding, right?
Yes, adding 2 by 2, everything like adding by adding. Times mean you just add. If you go from the first from start, if you continue just adding 3, another 3, 6, another 3 is 9, another 3 is 12, another 3 is 15. Just keep adding. But if you are asked to say 3 times 5, you have to say it directly without starting from the first and go.
So yesterday I practiced 4 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times and 9 times and 12 times.
Wow. Excellent. Let's check them. Check whether you still can remember them. Okay. Here, you see, you need to remember basically 4 times. And yeah, up to 5 times. Let's say. Metake, 4 times then.
4 times, do I have to tell 4?
Yeah, first let's check this time. Skip count by 4. Then you can tell me 4 times.
Okay. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
Okay, great. Now times. 4 times 1.
4 times 1, 4.
Continue.
4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4. 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 6, 24. 2 times 6. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 8. 32. 4 times 9. 36. 4 times 10, 40.
Okay. Okay, good job, Matuki. Let me go to Musfik. Musfik, first tell skip counting. Okay, skip count by 4. Musfik, skip count by 4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 30, 36, 40.
Now times 4 times 1.
4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 9, 30. 36. 4 times 10, 40.
Okay, well done, Musfik. Now, Metuke, 5 times and skip count by 5. 5
5.
is easy, okay?
Yeah.
Anyway,
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 100.
okay, you can go all the way like Metuke, then times 5 times.
It's very easy. So it's like adding 5 and 5, right?
Yeah, all like that, Metuke. When you say 3 times, also like that. If you start from 5, then add 5, 10, another 5, 15, 3, another 3, 6. But if you are asked randomly, that's the challenging part. You have to be able to remember. That's what we expect here.
If we can remember, like if it's like a close number to the starting point, we can easily count.
Yes.
The ending part is a little bit easy also because we can minus.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yes. Okay, then let me ask Musfik. Musfik? Musfik, tell me 5 times.
Skipping.
Yeah, skip count. Yeah, okay, that's fine. That's enough.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Okay, that's enough. Musfik, good job. Now, Metuke,
Yes, sir.
not skip count, but can you tell me 10 times?
10 times.
Hmm. That
10
is
times
easier
1.
than
Yeah.
anything.
10 times 1, 10. 10 times 2, 20. 10 times 3, 30. 10 times 4, 40. 10 times 5, 50. 10 times 6, 60. 10 times 7, 70. 10 times 8, 80. 10 times 9, 90. 10 times 10, 100.
Good job, Metuke. Now Musfik, 10 times.
Skip count.
No, just times. 10 times.
10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. 10 times 10 times 10 is 100.
Good job. Now 6 times to 10, 9 times also very easy because let's see like this. What is? Tell me 2 times 6? Both of you,
2
2 times
times
6?
2 times 6, 18.
2 times 6?
Mm, 60.
6, 6 plus 6?
6 plus 6, 12.
Okay.
I'm
12
just
times
getting it
6?
mixed up with 3 times table.
Ah, okay. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. Now, don't worry. Now, 2 times 6 and 6 times 2 is the same. So, 6 times table will be easy. Now, let's say like this. 3 times 2. Sorry, 3 times 6.
3 times 6. 3 times 6.
Yes,
I think it's 18.
that's right. So, 3 times 6, 6 times 3 is the same answer. So if you count, if you multiply in this way, 7 times also the same, 2 times 7, 7 times 2, 7 times 3, 3 times 7, 4 times 7, 7 times 4, 5 times is easy, 5 times is 35, then 42. Then the rest is quite easy if you can remember 2 times up to 5 times without any problem. The rest will be very easy. Okay, so now I'm gonna check 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 10 times randomly. Okay, randomly. Let's try to answer without thinking so much, okay, taking so much time to think. Then that is the trick, when you are able to do this one very quickly, you will be very good at maths with this. Okay, good. So Matuki, 5 times 10.
5 times 10, 50.
Okay, 5 times 7?
5 times 7. 5 times 7, 65. I mean 35, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good. 3 times 9?
3 times 9. 27.
4 times 8?
4 times 8.
No, 4 times 8. 4 times 9 is 36.
No, 34.
34? No, no, no.
33.
No, no, no.
32.
Yes.
I just minus 4, but I minus 3 in that.
2 times 8, 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 40 is 32. Hmm?
9 multiplication is like very easy. 1 times 9 is 9, then 10 times 9 is 90. Just flip over.
Oh, yeah.
1881.
Yeah. Okay. Few more method here. 3 times 4.
3 times 4, 12.
Okay. 5 times 4.
5 times 4, 20.
4 times 4.
4 times 4, 16.
8 times 2. 2 times 8. 2 times 8. Okay. 5 times is easy. Okay. 5
What?
times is easy, right?
Yeah.
So if you are asked to tell any number more than 5, that means like 2 times 7 or 5 times 7, 3 times 7, then you can directly straight away go to 2 times 5. It's quite easy. Then you from there you go to beyond that. That means we know 2 times 5 is 10, then 6 is 12, then another 2 is 14, like that. Okay, if you are asked 3 times 6, then you straight away go to 3 times
It's
5,
16.
15, another 3, 18. Okay,
It's 16,
if it
right?
is more than 5, that means 5 mean any times 6, okay, more than 5, then you straight away go to 5, because 5 times table is quite easy. So 6 times 5,
6 times 5, 30.
30. 30. So if you are asked to tell 6 times 7, it's easy, another 12. Okay, 30 plus 12 is 42.
Sir,
So
is the 2 times 8, 2 times 8, 16?
yeah, that's right, 16.
I add
3 is 6, so 6 is 3, 6 is another 3 is 6, that means 16. Okay, 2 times 6 is 6, so 16. Good. So Musfiq, this is for you. If we are able to say this one, so this becomes nothing for you. Okay, because opposite of multiplication is division. So division, if you are able to do multiplication very well, then that is opposite is the division. So you can do division the same way. It's quite easy. Musfiq, give me a minute. Let's take a minute and check. Okay, 7 times 3, 3 times 7. Musfiq.
3 times 7,
Okay, 10 times 5.
10 times
5 times 9.
5 times 45.
Yes, 5 times 9. 9 times 5, the same thing. Okay, 3 times 5.
3 times 5 is 15.
Okay, 3 times 9.
3 times 9.
Go to the nearest 10. Then you subtract 3.
27.
Good. 4 times 7.
4 times 7. 4 times 7.
You got nearest 5. 4 times 5. Then add another 2. 4 times 5.
20.
Yeah, 4
20.
times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8. So 28. You can do that way. This becomes quite easy. So let's do this one. You don't have to write your answers. You can tell me, okay, Metuki? Quickly.
Okay. 6 times 10, 60.
Okay. Musfik, next one.
8 times 5. 40. 45. 45.
Okay, Musfik, the same. Next one also for you.
70.
Metuki, next one.
Which one, sir? Fourth one. Sir, fourth one.
Yes, Metuki.
70.
Fourth one, Metuki.
Sir. 5 times 5.
That's right. So 25 divided by 5, you will get the answer. That means 5 times 5 is 25. The last one, not the last one, fifth one.
10 times 9. 9.
Yes, 9 times 10. Good. Musfik,
We can-
number 6.
Number 6. So then 5 times 6, 30.
Okay, Metuki, number 7.
6.
6 times 10. Okay, good. Musfik, number 8.
4.
Musfik, number 8. Metuki, number 8.
5 times. 5
This
times
is
8,
good. Okay.
40.
This is the times. You can swipe it. That means 5
8.
times. Yeah, 5 times 8. You just start with this one time. So when we multiply by any number, so you can start with this one, not times 8 times 5, but you can start with 5 times. You can go until you find the answer. Okay. Musfik, number 9.
4.
4 times. Okay. Metuki, 50 divided by 5.
10.
10. Okay. So 5 to 5
Just
gone.
times.
Left.
Sir.
Huh?
Times table, that's easy.
Yeah, that is the opposite, right? The division is the opposite of that one. Musfiq, number 11.
That's so easy.
Go ahead. 11.
40.
You say it's
40.
easy. It's easy. 80 divided by 10.
40.
Metuki, 80 divided by 10.
80 divided by 10 is 80. 8,
80 divided by
8,
10 is
8.
8. You just, any number, if you have zeros in both, then you just remove the 0 to 0, then you will end up with the answer, correct one. Okay, so I'm confident with multiplying and dividing by 5s and 10s. Okay, good. Then coming back to this. So this is also multiplication. We will have to go with multiplication to get answer. Sometimes division with this one. We'll see. Okay, take turn. Okay. So
Can I
yes,
answer?
Metuki, I'll let you do 1, 2, 3.
The first one is 16.
Metuki, this is the first one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 3 times 4.
3 times 4, 16.
3 times 4, Metuki. Not 4 times 4, okay? 4 times 4 is 16. Metuki.
12.
Yeah, and also you can, if it takes time, you can go skip counting for 8, 12, okay? 4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12. Good. Number 2.
It's 20.
Okay, 3.
Times 10. Can you give me?
Yes, okay. You can follow either 5 times 7 times 5 and subtract 1 7 from that, or 4 times 5, then you add another 2, 2 times 7 and add them together, or just skip count 4. Yes?
28. 28.
Yeah, okay. That means Musbik, I have to change the numbers. So these two set by Metuki and Musfik number 4 also 3. You told the answer for 3 and 4. Musfik number 4. You are there, right?
4.
Okay. 5 is nothing. So Metuki, can you do 6 and 7?
Yes, sir.
10 times 4?
40.
9 times 4? 4 minus 40.
40 minus 9.
1 4 minus 40. Because 10 times 4 is 40.
46.
36.
Yes.
You're
Sir.
supposed to say 36, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, then Musfiq, coming back to this one. Can you do 9 and 8 and 9? 4 times 4, Musfiq?
16.
Okay, excellent. Now 20, okay, now you have to go 4 times until you find 24 or 24 divided by 4. Skip count until you meet 24. 4, 4, 8, 12.
So is Musfiq doing it or me?
That is for Musfiq, Metuki. 8 and 9. These two for you. And Musfiq, number 9. Sorry, Musfiq, what is the answer? 24 divided by 4 or 4 times? Musfiq is there, but I can't hear him.
8.
4 times 8 is 32.
So can I say? Can I do?
Okay, okay, Metuki.
The 10th one, right?
Yeah, 10. No, I was waiting for the 9th one. Ninth one.
Is it 5? It's 6, right, sir?
Yeah, 6. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, you tried few times, sorry, Musfiq. Okay, so divide this one. Okay, Metuki, number 10.
The 10th one answer is 3.
3
And
times
the
4,
11th
good.
one answer is 11.
11, that's super easy. Okay, then if it is that, then this is for Musfiq, number 12, Musfiq. And 13 also for Musfiq. This is for Metuki. All 4 times, so it's quite easy.
Yeah. What is this?
Metuki, ready for the 14th one?
14th one.
Musfiq, number 12.
So I already got the answer for the 14th one.
Okay, Metuki, go ahead.
9.
9, excellent. Musfiq, 12. 12, good. 12 times 4, 12 times 10 is 14, another 2 is 8. Okay, this one, number 13.
So should I tell?
Okay.
8.
You say 4?
It's 8.
4 times 4 is 16. Okay, so 16 times 2 is 32. Then okay, that means 2 become, it should be double of this one, right? Because 4 is here. Okay, so that is what we did there. Now coming back to the division. That's the opposite of multiplication. Okay. Metuki, number 15 and okay, I'll write M, both M, Metuki, Musfik, Metuki, and here Musfik and Metuki and Musfik. Okay, now this is easy because you have to do the opposite of multiplication. You can skip count by 4 until you meet 8. How many times you have to skip count? Then that is the opposite of division. And 4 times what makes this? Then you see, okay. So skip counting by 4 until you reach 20. Then you check how many times you have to skip count. Then that is the opposite of division. Okay. Good. I'll give you a minute to complete this one and you can tell me the answers. Yes. After you get the answer, Metuke, you have to check by multiplying it. Okay. You said 5, so 5 times 4 should be this. Okay, so that is how we confirm our answers. Musfik, 28 divided by 4. Metuke, 28 divided by 4. 7. Okay, let's see. 7 times 4. Yes, 28. Metuki, 32 divided by 4.
8.
8. Okay. Make sure 8 times 4 is 32. Now Musfik, 48 divided by 4. You got the same one earlier. I remember 48. Right, Musfik?
Yeah.
You got the same one earlier.
Yeah.
Yes, it is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. Nice. So let's see what else we can do. Okay. Wow. Cows have 4 legs. How many legs on 12 cows? Methuke.
Sir, can you give me a minute?
No. Do you know why not, Methuke? Because we look at this. We already had that one. Okay. So 4 and the last one was it. So I'm not going to give you any time for this one. Okay. Good. So it was 12. So 12 times 4 was 48. So if there are 12 cows, one cow has 4 legs. That means 12 times 4 is the answer. Okay, number 2, now 22. Then I'll give you a minute for this one. There are 24 children. They get into 4 groups of 4. How many groups can be there?
The 6.
Oh, yes, Matuke. 6 times 4 is 24. Nice. Okay, so when you look at the same thing, you will see on the other pages as well. Same thing, 3 times 3. Since first 30-40 minutes, we just went through all of this, checking your multiplication, and that is what we really did there. Here, the same thing is, okay, you have to do the same thing. You are asked to write the same thing. So, if it is, I don't want to give you so much in the same thing at school. So you know how to do those things now, and also you learn the same thing at school. So shall we take a break before we meet again?
3 teeth. Now, when I laugh, my face looks so funny. I do not want to look like this.
Mohan, these are your milk teeth. After some time, you will get new and permanent teeth in place of your broken teeth. Friends, like Mohan, you must have also lost your milk teeth and got your new permanent teeth. You know that teeth are an important part of our body. They help us to chew and eat our food. They also help us to speak clearly. Do you know that a kid can have maximum 20 milk teeth? However, when he grows up, he will have maximum 32 permanent teeth. Let us learn more about our teeth. When you look at your teeth in the mirror, you will notice that the teeth in your mouth are of different shapes and sizes. We have 4 different types of teeth. Each type of teeth has a different purpose. Cut, tear, grind, and chew. Let us see the front 4 teeth in both the upper and lower jaws. They all are same in shape and have a sharp edge. They work like scissors to bite or cut food into small pieces. Hence they are called incisors. Look at the sharp pointed teeth located on both sides of incisors on each jaw. These are used to tear the food. Canines. They are 4 in number, 2 in each jaw. Next to each canine, there are 2 broad and flat teeth. They act as nutcracker and are used to grind and break the food into fine pieces. They are called premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. Look at the last 3 teeth on both sides of each jaw. On both sides of each jaw, the last 3 teeth are broader than the premolars. These are called molars. Their function is similar to the premolars, but they are used to grind the food further into a fine paste. We have in total 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw. Now let us learn about the structure of a tooth. The body of a tooth is divided into 2 parts. The upper part is called crown, while the lower part is called root. The root is fixed in jaw and is hidden. The crown is made up of enamel, which is the hardest material in our body. Below the